To automatically open the Air command menu when removing the S Pen from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to set action taken when S Pen is removed to open Air command. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features and then tap S Pen. Next, tap when S Pen is removed and then select open Air command. To see how it works, remove your S Pen to automatically open the Air command menu. So, given to the function, you can use this setting to ensure that the Air command menu will instantly open when you remove the S Pen. So you can easily access shortcuts and tools without manual activation. This improves efficiency, especially if you frequently use the S Pen for quick action. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.